Hello. Sensor moisture. What is a moisture sensor? This sensor is very simple, but ideal for integrating water conditions or soil moisture levels in plants. The soil moisture sensor is a sensor that can measure the water content or soil moisture. The soil moisture sensor is divided into two parts, one is an electronic board and the other is a probe which is equipped with two potentials, namely to detect water content. This includes an analog sensor or usually called A0. Soil moisture sensor specifications. Moisture sensor working principle illustration. Current will be passed on the electrode through the soil and the resistance to current in the soil will determine the value of soil moisture. On the other hand, when the soil moisture is high, the resistance level will be low. This sensor contains a module to convert the input voltage from the sensor into an output that is connected to the microcontroller. This sensor has two outputs, namely digital and analog. This sensor has an input of 0V, 5V which is chopped to 0 to 1023. Soil moisture sensor characterization. Experiment by connecting a 10K ohmega resistor with Arduino Uno using a series circuit. The sensor is immersed in the medium, water, soil and connected to tin, to measure the ADC value. The characterization of the 69 sensor with the first method where the sensor is immersed in the medium, water, soil and connected to tin, then connects a 10K ohmega resistor with Arduino Uno using a series circuit as shown in the figure. The circuit above is a voltage divider circuit, where the object measured by the 69 sensor, soil, water, or a lead, is considered to be R2. From the above equation, the voltage value is directly proportional to the resistance value. If 2 South African rand is replaced with soil, water or lead, the voltage value read on the ADC will also change depending on the resistance value of the object being measured. This first characterization is made very easy where one electrode is connected to VCC and the other to ground. This aims to determine the relationship of the object resistance value measured with the output voltage value and prove that the YL69 humidity sensor is 2 electrodes that implements the working principle resistive sensor, which can read the humidity in the surrounding area. 8. The ability of a material to block an electric current is called resistance. One of the factors that affect the resistance value of the soil is its water content. Water will help conduct current. The greater the water content in the soil, the smaller the resistance value and the greater the soil moisture. Vice versa. From this first method, the measured ADC values in each medium are as follows.